Hello, Les from Retired and Living the Dream. Do you have just one of them days sometimes where everything seems to go wrong and it's just like one thing after another? Well, I'm having one of them days. So Retired and Living the Dream. Today, it's not so dreamy. The other day the washing machine decided to die, so I went and bought a brand new one. Washing machine's working brilliant. And then we went to Wahin a couple of months or so ago to do a video on assisted living, and we got a stone chip in the windscreen. So a little chip, and I put some glue on to try and fix it. But look what's happened since I put the glue on. A big crack now in the windscreen. So today we're going to go get the windscreen fixed, and I'll let you know how much it costs to get the windscreen fixed. So here we go. A big crack in the windscreen. Okay, so here we are, getting the windscreen changed. It's in Rayong City, which is in between Tesco Lotus and Lam Tong. This is the name of the shop. Big enough shop, and it's got all the windscreens that you can imagine. The what, sorry? Yeah, I've showed already, and we've got all these windscreens in stock. So we just turned up straight away, and no problem. So to do this was 1,500 for the film for inside, and also 3,500 baht for the windscreen. So let's see what happens, see how they fix everything. But as soon as we pulled up, they were at it. Like locusts around a car type of thing. They were just straight at it. It was brilliant. So, okay. We were told it would be about 1.5 hours to get the car windscreen done, so we popped into Lam Tong, which is another big shopping mall in Rayong, and they have KFC and McDonald's. And I haven't had a McDonald's for about 9 months, so I'm going to go for a McDonald's. So it's cheap food in here, McDonald's. Every now and then, sometimes you just like a little bit of Western food. So here we are. McDonald's isn't actually full, it's quite empty really. So plenty of seats. So we're just going to have, my wife's getting ready to go and get the order book. 9 months ago.
My sauce? Or you want tomato or chili?
No, I don't want any sauce. So the burger doesn't look like the photograph. It's supposed to be a triple burger. But it doesn't look like the photograph at all with the chips. Anyway, for my triple burger and chips, the Coke Zero drink was 209 baht, and for Play she just wanted Coke and chips, which came to about 100 baht.
120 baht.
Yeah, 120 baht. So altogether, 309 baht we paid for a meal in McDonald's. I don't know what it's like compared to England, but yeah, okay. It was a triple beef burger. I say the picture looks better than what it is, but it still tastes very, very nice. So we've just had our McDonald's. We're going to have a look around Lam Tong now. And for those people who like gadgets, big camera shop, you can get all the things that you want. I like that. My next purchase is going to be one of them, the mobile Action 3. I've got the Action 1, which is good. 12,500 for the basic one, 15,500 for everything. Now I'll have one of them, no problem. They're very good. Oh, the Action 4 is out. Oh wow. Didn't know there was an Action 4. That must be a brand new one. Well, we're about to go for a cup of coffee in Lam Tong shopping mall, and the guy from the garage gave us a call. So we had our McDonald's. We're going to walk back to the garage now, and it's been done less than an hour. Less than an hour, and he said about an hour and a half. But it's been done now, so walking back to the garage. So I'll let you have a look when we get back to the garage. Oh yeah, look at my wife. Thai people don't like the sun, so she's got a big hoodie to stop her from the sun. Me, on the other hand, soak up that vitamin D that makes you feel alive. Lovely vitamin D, but don't get too much of it. But it's very, very hot and warm, and it's about 700 meters from the shopping mall to the garage. Not too far, is it? So anyway, back to the garage. So here we go. The new windscreen. Less than an hour and everything's been put back. 5,000 baht. Got these, leave them on for a little while till everything settles down, the glue and things like that. Okay, thank you.